Before going through informative animation, I am excited to inform you that YouTube now automatically dubs this video into several major languages. Just turn on your preferred language in the settings and enjoy the full experience in your native tongue. What is nanotechnology? Nanotechnology means working at the nanoscale. 1 nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter. That is 100,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair. At this scale, materials behave differently. Their color, strength, conductivity, and chemical reactivity can change. Nanotechnology allows us to design and build materials, atom by atom. At the nanoscale, strange things happen. Gold turns red. Carbon becomes stronger than steel. How do we make nanomaterials? There are two main methods. In top-down method, a larger piece breaking down into smaller parts. In bottom-up method, building nanomaterials from individual atoms or molecules. Self-assembly is a common bottom-up method. Nature uses bottom-up building in DNA and proteins. Modern electronics use nanoscale parts. Transistors are now just a few nanometers wide. Smaller transistors make computers faster and more powerful. Nanotechnology helps us create tiny and efficient chips. Quantum dots and nanowires are also used in advanced electronic devices. In medicine, nanotechnology brings new hope. We can send tiny particles to deliver drugs directly to diseased cells. This reduces side effects. Some nanoparticles can kill cancer cells using heat or light. Researchers are developing tiny machines called nanobots. One day, these could swim in our blood and repair our bodies from the inside. Nanotechnology helps in producing clean energy. It improves batteries by using nanomaterials. It makes solar panels more efficient. Nanoparticles are used in fuel cells. They also help clean polluted water and air. Nanotech is part of the solution to energy and environmental problems. We already use nanotechnology in everyday products. Some clothes use nanofibers to repel water and stains. Sunscreens use nanoparticles to block harmful rays. Sports equipment becomes stronger and lighter with nanomaterials. Even mobile phone screens use nano-engineered glass to resist scratches. In space missions, nanomaterials reduce weight and increase strength. Self-healing materials made with nanotech could repair tiny cracks. Aircraft and car bodies use nano coatings to resist damage. Factories use nanocatalysts to speed up chemical reactions. There are some possible risks of nanotechnology. Nanoparticles are very small. They may enter the body through the air, skin, or food. Some can be harmful if not handled properly. We must test new nanomaterials for safety. Careful use and proper rules are very important. Nanotechnology also raises some ethical questions. Who controls these powerful tools? Can they be used to watch people without their knowledge? Will rich countries benefit more than poor ones? We must make sure that nanotech is safe, fair, and for everyone. These applications save time, money, and energy. The future of nanotechnology is full of promise. It may help us cure diseases, clean the planet, and build smart materials. Nanobots might clean arteries or repair damaged organs. Smart clothes might change color or control body temperature. Nanotechnology is small in size but big in power. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to share this video with your friends.